appears to be developing into one of the marquee quarterbacks in the nation.
He's all the things that make you win. That's what he does.
Bridgewater throwing to the end zone. Touchdown, Parker. Bridgewater wants to make the pay, and he does.
Bridgewater to the end zone. Touchdown.
I wouldn't be in this situation right now without my teammates. The Heisman campaign may start, but right now I'm just enjoying this moment.
As we are enjoying the College Football Live Summer Bus Tour from here in Louisville, the Cardinal Express train permanently locked down for tailgating there as the Cardinal Express on the field has been rolling through this summer with high hopes heading towards fall 2013. Glad you're with us. Joe Tessitore along with the head coach, Charlie Strong. Always nice to visit with you, Charlie. Hard to avoid the high expectations when you're coming off the Sugar Bowl, when you have the top returning NFL quarterback prospect in Teddy Bridgewater, and managing all of that is a task for you. But we were talking about your situation at Florida a few years ago when you were the coordinator heading into the 09 season. What did you learn then that you can apply now?
Well, Joe, it's always hard to manage those expectations. And we're at Florida. It's 2009 season. Tebow announced that he were coming back. And I can remember on defense, we returned 21 or 22 Letterman. All the starters were back. And that's the problem here right now. It's all about, what I don't want to see happen here, where a loss becomes devastating, and then winning a game is a sigh of relief. And that's what happened there.
Listen, Charlie, all summer long we've been hearing this. You hear us talk about it on the TV side. Your schedule, the kind of schedule that people are perceiving as unchallenging for a team with your talent. How do you guard against that mentality creeping into your locker room?
Well, what you had to do, Joe, you had to make it about us. And I say that to our team. Don't worry about the opponent we play. It's all about us. If we go out and prepare, if we stay focused, then we can take care of business. But the schedule is what it is. We have no control over the schedule, but we do have control on how we play.
I think a lot of people have been marveling as to the development of your Heisman hopeful quarterback, Teddy Bridgewater. What do you see as the big difference between a skinny, homesick quarterback that came here from Florida just a few years ago and now this guy who's filled out and become a mature leader?
Oh, it's amazing just to watch his total development. And you're right, from year 1 to year 3, it's so fun to watch Teddy. And he's a professional now. He comes in and he wants to be the leader. At first, he wanted no part of it. But now just to watch the way he directs his football team and how he leads this team.
Some news here today, Charlie. You made the announcement that in light of some recent actions, namely among other quarterbacks in the news from a state down south, that come your fan day coming up here at Louisville, that you're not going to allow for your players to sign autographs. How did you come to that decision?
Well, just recently what has happened in college football, and then I don't want to put our players in jeopardy. And so what we're going to do, instead of having a fan day, we're just going to have a scrimmage, and I'm open up for the public and let them come in and watch our team scrimmage.
BCS title game MVP a few years ago, star running back Michael Dyer from Auburn, past troubles, comes to your program. You're a week and a half into camp now. You have that zero tolerance policy in place. How has Michael Dyer been handling all of it?
Well, Michael's doing a great job. And what I don't want to do, Joe, is make sure that Michael's treated any differently than any other player on our team. And he's going to be given every chance to be successful. But whenever you have accountability and responsibility within your program, then you have a chance with a player like Michael Dyer.
Guys are loaded in the backfield. All that running back, that couple guys coming back from injuries. I mean, is this going to be the type of season where we see Teddy Bridgewater with the big glossy numbers, or managing the game and handing off to all that talent more, what we're seeing here?
Well, we're very balanced on offense. So we want to give the running backs a chance to run the football and give Teddy a chance to throw it to those great receivers we have.
Any surprises so far in camp, Charlie?
Well, I think about, like Robert Clark is having a really good camp right now. Marcus Smith on the defensive side of the ball. But there's a number of players who are beginning to step up.
Louisville won just 15 games in 3 seasons before you arrived, 11 wins a year ago, and now talk of heading back there to a BCS Bowl. Much more coming from Louisville on our College Football Live Summer Bus Tour. We're on the DirecTV bus enjoying ourselves with the Cardinals today. 2 weeks on the road from Georgia, Clemson, South Carolina, Alabama, and Oregon. Louisville today, and come tomorrow, your old friend, Urban Meyer, Charlie. We're going to be with the Buckeyes. Much more to come from Louisville.